Let's make the most amazing biscotti ever. No eggs required. You're gonna start with oil and butter, add some sugar, anise seeds, fennel, baking powder, baking soda, a touch of salt, anise seeds, a little bit of vanilla. Mix well. You're gonna add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of spelt flour, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix well. You're gonna spread in a baking sheet. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove, let it cool just a little. You're gonna slice and bake one more time. In the oven for 10 minutes. You're gonna flip on the other side, leave for another 20 minutes until very crispy, and you're gonna enjoy the most amazing biscotti. I love to serve this with hot tea or cappuccino. Give it a try.